Stephen with Bellwether, and today we're going to talk about how long does it take to install fiber cement and what are the factors that impact your timeline. I think the first thing to know is lots of people think about their home in terms of footprint, square footage, but we think about your home in terms of area, square footage on the walls. Probably a typical size house is about 15 to 20 squares. That's 1,500 to 2,000 square feet, and that might take 10 to 15 days. There are other factors that are involved. It depends on how cut up your house is, meaning how many different wall facets or little lines or alcoves or bump outs do you have, how much trim is going to be installed, what are the profiles of siding that you're going to be putting on your house. If you just put lap siding up, it's just board, board, board. We stagger the seams. If you're going to do a board and batten, then we're going to put panels on the wall, and now we have to put batten strips evenly located across the wall. That takes a little bit extra time. Shake takes a little bit of extra time. We have to weave those things in. But it really depends on the size of your house, how much square area you have on your wall facet. There are a couple of other factors that might determine how long your cladding installation takes. If we're just doing the wall facets and we're painting your soffits and fascia, it's going to go a little bit quicker. You're going to add some extra time if we do your eaves. So the soffits, the fascia need to be torn off. We need to go in, put gutter flashing. We're going to put new fascia and soffit in there. That's going to be supported. Put freeze board at the interface of the top of the wall and the wall facets. So doing your eaves takes a couple extra days probably. And then it does make a difference whether or not you have a roof, like a stone-coated steel roof or a tile roof, something like that. The style of your roof makes a difference in terms of how much time and attention to detail we need to take about how we handle, placing material on the roof, walking on the roof, whether or not any clay tile or stone coat steel coping that curls over the top of your fascia to make a drip edge needs to be removed. All of those little factors can help determine how long your cladding installation will take. But on a 15 to 20 square house, you can usually assume 10 to 15 days, maybe 2 weeks or a couple of days more if you have some of those other details that need to be attended to.